Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am having a jumping lesson on Colby. It was my very first time riding him today, so we're just going to ignore how I look at some points because I was still getting used to him. We started off by having a nice little trot around the arena. Then we practiced my jumping position over the poles. And then we had our first canter. Then we popped over a little jump. It was quite tiny, so he just popped over it like it was a pole. Then we just did the same thing again. I was meant to canter it, but I accidentally just messed up.
Okay, brilliant. So, 1, 2, jump.
I was so proud of Colby, and I'm so proud of myself as this is now my highest jump. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day. Bye!